Hi, today we're going to introduce our recently launched Soltaire Endfold and Centrefold systems. This new product utilises components from our existing range of Soltaire sliding systems. It is suitable for wooden and metal interior folding doors weighing up to 45 kilos or 75 kilos. This product is available in a variety of different kit packs, making it easy to specify. We have Endfold 45 kilos, Endfold 75 kilos, Centrefold 45 kilos and Centrefold 75 kilos. We also have available kits for an extra swing door and also a pivot leaf. Track and channel also available in various lengths up to 6 meters. For the purpose of this video, we're going to take a look at the Soltaire Endfold 45 kilo system. Shall we get started? Here we have the basic components that you require. We have the track, the support channel and the guide channel. We also have a 2-door base kit. This allows 2 doors to fold to one side. Let's talk about the components included in the 2-door base kit. Here we have the contents of a 2-door base kit for 2 doors folding to one side. We have the top pivot, the bottom pivot, hinges, hanger, guide and flush bolt. To add a swing door, we have this hinge set available, and to add a pivot door, we have this pivot set available. Kits can be combined together to cater for multiple door combinations to cover any width of opening. Doors can also fold to one or both sides. All components are made from 316 marine grade stainless steel, making them durable and hard wearing. We have a number of accessories available such as flush pulls and handles. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've been Phil, you've been great. Until next time.